Hi, Jamie. This is Nick. We talked on Saturday when you were walking the dog. I actually have four dogs, two of which that I got in Phoenix, a Lab Shepherd and a Lab Pit. Anyway, there's not a lot that you could do on your site. Your site, I'm going to show you, uh, both from an aesthetic and an SEO perspective, extremely strong. Now, if you want us to insert some pictures, do some updates, things like that, maybe keep a blog updated, that's easy enough. We've done all WordPress sites, very simple. But a couple things in your site I'll point out that are amazing. You've got the call to click right here, which is perfect. That's what you want. Perhaps the only thing is when I scroll, it should stay there with the menu, if that makes sense. Looking at some of your images and such, if I right click and say save image as, see how it says Carmel build? You really want those to be keywords. So for example, custom home, Scottsdale, Arizona, right? Remodeled kitchen, Peoria, whatever it happens to be. So see, that doesn't make a lot of sense. So we want to redo the pictures, those images, and rename them. Otherwise, wow, I wish you built in Las Vegas. I'm moving there in a couple of years, and some of these homes are just amazing that you've got. Wow. Now we look at Ahrefs. It's a program that kind of looks under the hood to see what's going on. Excuse me, I was just getting a drink of water. Besides content, Google likes content. You have the content. Backlinks are important. Those are links from credible sources back to your site. It seems like your SEO company did a very good job of that because you got 442 keywords, which are resulting in last month 355 people hitting the site. And I know you need that volume because not everyone's ready as a buyer, right? So let's look at these keywords, and I just see only a few areas for improvement, okay? So I'm going to show you something here. So look at this. List of materials needed to build a house. That's the volume per month. So it's 90 people search it. The KD is the keyword difficulty, 0 to 100. Under 20 is where you want to try to be. Over 20 is a long-term keyword play, okay? And your position. So here, you're in the first position. You got 34 people to your site from the traffic here. Now, some of these other ones, look at this one, home builder. A little bit more difficult of a word, but 24 people, 2,400 people search a month. You're in the 15th position, so you're only getting 14. Once you're in the top 3 and even top 5, that's when you're really going to start getting some more traffic. So let's look at this. I want to go down here and let's look on the second page. These are the ones that you're going to be kind of in the second page of Google, okay? So let's look at some of these. You're in the 10th position here. You're only getting less than 3 traffic from 100. If you can get to the 4th or 5th, you'd be 20 to 30 here. Same thing here. But we want to see which of these words are relevant. Maybe some of these aren't relevant. Maybe they're not buyer intent keywords. But that's the only thing that I would really do. I would look at updating your image names, putting in additional images and content if you want, sitting down and figuring out which keywords are the best that you want to go after. And then one last thing, you're doing a great job here. When we do a search, let me show you something on Google. There. When we do a search, home builders, I know you're a custom home builder. Let's just do this though. See this piece, this map pack right here? Okay. Besides organic results, this is where you want to be. And this is something called a GMB or Google My Business. And as I look at your company by name, yours is fairly complete. You've got multiple photos. You've got additional information. This is very good. So all in all, I would say great website, great traffic. If you want to continue to grow, we can get more traffic, some of those other keywords, especially the ones on page 2, and updating images. So that's about it. I do appreciate it, Jamie. I will talk to you later today. Thanks. Bye-bye.